Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix app not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so check internet connection. Check your internet connection is work properly. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart mobile. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.